Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating simple hardware causes so you can focus on system fixes. Unplug USB devices and external monitors, then force a shutdown by holding power for 10 to 15 seconds. Once done, power on and use Shift+ restart from the sign-in screen to access recovery options. This helps separate driver issues from firmware or power faults. Make sure the display cable is seated and the monitor input matches the port. If you see the BIOS or logo, the GPU or drivers are likeliest culprits. Next, repair software layers causing the black screen. Boot into safe mode so Windows loads minimal drivers, then uninstall recent GPU or display driver updates to remove bad versions. After uninstalling, run sfc/scano and dism restore health to replace corrupted system files. These commands fix file-level issues that block the desktop. If you still get a black screen, try System Restore to roll back to a known good point, or perform a repair install to refresh Windows without losing files, which resolves deeper component failures. Finish by reinstalling the manufacturer's stable GPU driver and updating Windows and BIOS or UEFI to eliminate compatibility problems. Install chipset drivers too and reboot after each update so changes take effect. Once done, confirm the display returns to normal and adjust power settings to prevent future hangs. If the black screen persists, swap to the integrated GPU or connect an external monitor to determine whether the discrete graphics card or panel is failing. This hardware isolation is the fastest way to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.